Hey everyone, this is Shreash and you're watching Techify EDU-ONE, and today's video is about the all new Motorola G8 Power Lite. I ordered it from flipkart.com in the flash sale. I tried 2 or 3 times and then I was successful, and yes, Lite is there in its name, but it definitely isn't a Lite device. Y'all come to know. I'll give a short review even. So before I start the video, if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And now let's get straight into it. So I'll now unbox the device, and here is the box. Let me open this. So here is this. As you all can see, I ordered the Arctic blue color, and it also has the royal blue color, and it's priced at 10,000 rupees. So I think in this range it is a really good smartphone and one of the best in this budget. So let me open the device, and what's on the here, you can see it. It's written massive 5000 milliampere battery, and I think it will definitely last a day or two. Even on heavy usage it should last a whole day. Then it has that 6.5 inch full HD plus display and 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM variant. So let's open this up, the Motorola G8 Power Lite. So I'm opening this up, and here I have the Motorola device, and let me tell you, it has this transparent back cover already put up, so that is a good thing. And let me keep this aside and I'll take out the other things there. So here is some paperwork from Motorola, and we have this charger here, rapid charger, and provides fast charging. And another good thing about the Motorola device, so it's a 5 volt 2 ampere charger, and that is a good thing. So other things that we have here is let's quickly get done with this. And here is the micro USB cable. Yes, it isn't the type C, but it is the micro USB cable. So we would have loved to see the type C cable from Motorola here, but I think the micro USB in this budget, it is good enough. And apart from that, we have the SIM ejector tool here. So I'll boot the device and show it to you. See this? It has booted up and it's booting. So let it boot. So I set this phone up, and it runs on stock Android 9 Pie, and it is come with a security update. So I'll show you the Android version, and I think they'll provide the Android 10 update soon. Let's see. So I've opened the settings and Android version. So this is the settings here. You all can see this. And here is the Android 9 Pie. And it has the 4 GB RAM, so I don't think there will be any issues with any issues like phone lagging. It is pretty good, and it has these 3 buttons, 3-button navigation system down here. I'll show you the fingerprint sensor, so y'all can see this. It's pretty fast, I guess. It takes less than a second. So yeah, it's pretty good. The fingerprint sensor is really good, and the camera camera is a good one. So the camera is 16 megapixel, the rear camera, and it has 2 other cameras of 2 megapixel each. The macro camera is even present there. That's the 2 megapixel camera, and the macro shots are really good. I'm telling you, I took some macro shots from this device, and they are really good. And the rear camera works pretty well in all lighting conditions. The macro camera is excellent in very low lighting conditions. The front camera, that's 8 megapixel, So you all must be thinking that's really low for devices in today's world, but in this price range I think that is what you can expect with so many other features loaded in this. And the 8 megapixel front camera isn't really that bad. It even supports the bokeh mode, the front camera bokeh or the portrait mode. I'll show some sample shots which I took with this device afterwards, towards the end of the video. And as I told you, the battery is 5000 milliampere battery, and while it's come to me, it is 59% charged. While it's come to me, it's 59% charged, so I think that's pretty good. It doesn't heat up. I don't think there's any lag or heat issues, and I'll show you some system details about it now. And as I told you, this runs on the stock Android, so there isn't any company apps here that you'll get in devices like Xiaomi and all. So it's pretty clean here. Y'all can see very less apps, and nothing useless or no ads also showing. So that's a really good feature of this device. And I've got the CPU Z app installed here, and it is the 64GB ROM variant. It comes with 48GB, approx 48GB available for use, and the other 16GB is taken up by the system. Then the API level of this device is 28, and as I said, there's no heating problem, and its current temperature, if I want to mention, it's 34 degrees Celsius. So that's really normal, or even good, I would say. And it has all the sensors, the gyroscope, the step detector, step counter, and all the necessary sensors that you need. The fingerprint sensor is already there. So that was about the system details, and in my honest opinion, I think in this price range this is a really good device. Even if you all just want to see the design really clearly, show you all. So this is the back side of the device. You all can see the 2 cameras and a flashlight there, the Motorola fingerprint sensor that looks really cool with the Motorola branding in there in the fingerprint sensor, and you all can see the speakers here. And this is the below side of the device. That is the micro USB port with the all the headphone jack is right up here, and these are the volume rockers. The designing of this device is really good, and there are some designs on the buttons also. So that was about this video, and if you all want to buy it, you all can buy it from the flash sale, or after some time it will become available in the market. And this is a really good, and out of 10, if I would have to rate it, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And only drawback I think is its front camera, which isn't that really good in terms of megapixel, but still it's pretty decent for daily use for normal users. So that's it about this video, and like the video if you all liked it, and subscribe the channel, and thank you, and bye bye, have a nice day.